The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast.
So another thing that I was looking at today, a friend of mine shared this video from Major League Baseball. I'm guessing it was yesterday. The White Sox and the Mariners played, and they were at T-Mobile Park. So they were in Seattle, formerly known as Safeco Field. I've always known it as Safeco Field, but T-Mobile just took over the rights there. So very beginning of the game, top of the first inning, there was only one out, and we get a ground ball hit right up the middle, and as soon as the ball hits the outfield, it just starts going wobbling side to side, almost like a zigzag back and forth in the grass. And it's just really fascinating. I have honestly watched this loop at least over 50 times. It's just really cool to see that once that ball hits the grass in the outfield, it just goes nuts. And you can tell the center fielder had to focus in on this ball in order to field it. Otherwise, it would have gone right through his legs. But really interesting. The person that posted this is obviously in baseball. His name's Chris Dunn. I don't know much more about him than he's in baseball. And he said in his tweet that he had hated certain grass patterns as an outfielder, and this particular instance is why. And before I get into why I think this happened, I have to just point out that there is a beautiful checkerboard pattern in the outfield here at T-Mobile Park, and whoever did that did a fantastic job. It looks so good. But I guess I'm curious to know what you guys think. So if you have any ideas, shoot me an email, jimmy@jimmylewismose.com, and let me know why you think this happened. Personally, I think that it could be one of two things or both. First of all, obviously, the ball's got spin on it when it comes off the bat, and that's going to affect how it behaves once it lands on the ground. Whether it takes a big bounce or whether it just kind of, if it has backspin on it, it's going to behave differently. But this is quite something. I think that the stripe patterns in the grass and the way the grass is laying down in multiple different directions, I can see at least three different directions that the grass is laying because of the way the lights are reflecting off of it. You have different shades of green. And the ball does cross over each different shade and goes a different direction. And yeah, so I think that the way the grass is laying down and the spin on the ball has everything to do with why this happened. Really fascinating. I'll put a link to this video, the tweet with this video, in the show notes, the description, so that you can check it out as well.